crime or na big something wey be say they never see for life before. In life, e get the way something dey happen. This thing wey happen so wey seize everybody for us so. Many dey happen for different countries wey say no dey comot from the country. E go shake the country well well. But this one now e come enter the whole country, the whole world. So this matter so wey I dey talk so, e no really concern the world, but e concern my country Nigeria. As e concern my country Nigeria, na so e concern my state where I come from, which wey be say na Edo State, Benin City. So wetin me come talk say for the last video wey I first talk, I tell people say this shutdown wey happen so, make people not too reason am like as I talk before. So wetin go happen? Now wey dem say make everybody stay inside house, me not to bother you, make I dey repeat am for una, because wetin me wan tell una so e dey important. Me and for even like now before I go talk am, me na invite many friends, me na dey invite una brother, me na dey invite una iye. Some of una wey get media wey una take dey watch us, me na go give una iye make look am, go give your mama, go give your papa make look am, so that make everybody hear wetin I dey talk. So wetin me dey talk now be say, I talk am the last time say, since people dey complain say hunger dey, food no dey, government dey not do anything, so na me come use that former video take tell people say make una no dey too much dey call government, make una no too cry say government come give una food. Me one person come dey use una take dey show video, come dey tell una say government do this one, all those small rice wey dem dey share, so tomorrow dem go come tell say na so dem give one person one bag of rice. So wetin me dey try come let una understand be say, for that video now I tell una say make una go village, make una go village. If una no get village, make una find village wey dey near Benin there, make una enter am. Also dey there. If una small place you just carry, clear am, you go get better something tomorrow. If you no still clear am, dey village, go dey help people for village, dey work, dey help them. Garri dey village na, yam dey, cocoyam dey, food dey village. So we don't need to complain say food not dey, hungry wan kill person. Wetin me dey tell una so na one man, after I don finish my video last time, na one man vex. As the man vex finish, say he say this lockdown no fit lock am inside house o. Na the man vex enter near one community there wey dey near him house. Na the man pack him wife, pack all him wife dem, carry all him children. You know say that time na for village, if man marry, dey get like 2 wives, 3 wives, go pack all the children. Dem dey marry because of farm that time. Go pack all the old children go farm. You go tell the woman say this one on your side. You go tell the other one say this one on your side. You go tell the other this one on your side. Him go come still go inside. If they see me, you see why hungry not dey those days. Now see the reason why hungry not dey those days. Wetin dey try to tell una now be say that man so vex, carry all him children. Owi ekwe, yet yaro wa, you no fit dey inside house. Then he go village, near one community there where dey near house. Now the man go beg the Enogie, say wala wo go abeg, me na give me some land. Ya mugbo say one is take carry farm. And the man clear am. I know say many people don't watch the video when the man take clear farm. Me I know say some don't watch am, but some people do never watch and I see make I come show una again. See na the video be this one so. Na the video be this one. The time the man dey clear am be this one, wey don clear am finish, one plant yam. The man vex. And now the man dey talk now, dey talk now say after this one I go carry another one again. He say go plant yam for this one with corn. He say 3 months corn don grow, he don dey eat am. He say the other one He go plant ogi, wey be wetin una dey call am for English, melon, wey you break am and take make egusi soup. He say 1 year, he don dey eat that one. Na some people dey cry for inside house. Government o, government o. He say make una stop to dey call government. He say make una no dey call government again. Government no be government go dey do everything. Na government go come clear your farm, na they go come give you farm. If you start to dey eat the yam now, government go come tell am say make bring yam. The man vex, the man dey talk. You see,
when I go village, go carry farm, no come complain say coronavirus. Now no make you come get money. Now so government do. Go to your village, go farm. Go farm, see my farm.
You see, now they call government again. The man vex. What's so? Government. You see, me I go carry farm. You see, some land they will be say people get to they never build their house. Me I go beg them. Even as me there, if I still beg me I'll still direct and say me I go plant for some farm like this. So now wetin that the story when me bring come here today. No, I see I can't tell una. Say me I don't see person now wey don vex. Go clear farm plant. Make I show una the video. Watch the video.
Oh, una good afternoon. Coronavirus. It don't carry us go village. Now farm come the farm now. We do auto farm now. See my farm. All of you now go village, go carry farm, will not come complain say coronavirus. Now no make you come get money. Now so government do. Go to your village, go farm. Go farm, see my farm. Before coronavirus finish, yam don dey grow. See yam where I come for ground, where I want to plant. See the one where I don't fair plant. Ugbo magbe. Di maya no gba mwe. Farm. Before 3 months now, I don dey cut corn. I don dey eat corn. August. I don't become big man. September melon don't come out. We don't eat melon. Oh yeah, go to your village. Go nearby house. Nearby that land where they near your house. Go farm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Leave government alone. Say government no give me food. He not give me this time. I want to eat. I want to do anything. Oh yeah, go farm. Oh, no, not come in here. See bush. See, I see plenty. As I feel carry rich now, I carry rich so. See, oh yeah, go farm. Oh yeah. If you not farm, now you know. Not come they complain say now so you not see food.
Why you government?
Why government? Where government marry marry mi nanare ovi okoro me wa hin ovi abigo me wa mugbo ni a oya ke na pa wa ya mugbo me so upono de upona ibe so o ma o bye bye.
Hello, welcome back to the studio. Thank you for watching the video. I believe say everybody don't see the video when the man they talk. And wetin the man talk, no one be lie. Even for Europe, now farm, all of them they farm. Now make if you reach any Europe where you reach, you go see fruit. No fruit where be say they come out for summer where you don't get. The one where they come out for winter, you go see them. No people they plant, huh? Our own for Nigeria, everybody go sit down for Benin. Some self they wait for money we want come from abroad. Not be so. That man don't already talk. I bet tell them again, tell them guys I tell you, tell them again.
We do want to farm now.
See when I go carry farm. See ya. Not me
See my
talk.
farm.
Now you talk. See ya. Me na hear that.
All of you now go village, go carry farm, we not come complain say coronavirus. Now not make you.
I beg. Now wetin me I bring come. Even some people dey inside us now, they not get wetin they do. They find government come give me food, come bring this one. I don't say not easy, but the only easier way, everything gets solution. Even this sickness where they go so. Even this sickness where they go so. People still they find the solution. To plus you a day SARS, you just die SARS, you go find solution. The solution now I bring the last time I do my video. And the solution now, this man don't start on. He can't put on for video, say, may everybody see him, may everybody start. Now what me like China, we be say China, so we everybody say they don't cause problem for the world. So China, they learn many things when things dey difficult for them, when things not there, when they so man they so there. Now they learn. I go tell them many things where they learn. They learn how to do something. They learn how to create many things. Saute. They can't learn how to eat snake, frog, will be a key, bat, will be a vamu. They call a vamu that time be a gwen. They learn how to eat rats without cooking. They can't learn how to eat ikolo. Now no ikolo now. They can't still learn how to eat a hun. A hun now when they swim for ground. They can't still learn how to eat. This one, if I talk this one, we know you like this one at all. Myself, they can't learn how to eat cockroach. Cockroach. If they fry, if you lose guard, you go use and take drink garri. The way they tell the France, say they package jam, you self, you go trip. What thing make people talk on? Now when things hard, now they learn many things. Apart from those who see color them, they learn better thing, everything na China made. Now what thing they learn when things hard? Even as Nigeria day to day, when what we supposed to learn, what we all of us supposed to put our hand, they practice something, not to go they carry person home. Even this one, all of us, they say, so it's supposed maybe everybody learn different things. People, they hold phone, hold your phone. They use it until they do something. They find what you want to create. By the time they go see everybody come out, you still get idea for many things. Enter go. They go things. They check things. They ask questions. They confirm something. When you come out, you get more idea. Even me when they talk to now so. Now go surprise say, now when I this ask, now I learn this thing where they do so. Now no. So I beg, mo go do something. That farm, it's important. Then all they cry, say mostly my state, Nigeria, my country, Nigeria, Benin. Me na go farm, me na go also farm. That better pass. Thank you very much. MCTV Television, show us the video 2020. Me na bye bye. Hello, good morning everybody, good morning. This is MCTV Television, show us the video 2020. Hello everyone, good morning to MCTV Television, show us the video 2020. Love you all. I beg, subscribe, press like, follow me on my Show Us the Video page. Thank you.